Hey folks, in today's video we're going to be unboxing a Otis elevator part. Let's get started. Let's go. Alright. Alright. So, we're just breaking into the box right now. I'm just trying to keep my data covered, although I have blacked it out with Sharpie. Yep, it's a haul button. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, look at this, look. It's a vintage Otis black button call station. One of my favorite call stations ever. These are one of my favorite call stations in the whole world. But the screws are loose, however. And I'll be fixing that. These are the guts to this black button, as you can see. Well, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day, and bye.